Okay, here we go. Now, this part of my website is just here for my clients that I have, and they can easily click on this drop-down box, select their website. In this case, I'm going to select my own website, davidevelopments.com, and then it will bring them to the back-end login of their website. But you can always get there by just going to your website, davidevelopments.com/wp-admin, and then enter. That'll get you to the back end of your WordPress website, unless you've customized it, so that's no longer the login. But once here, enter your credentials that you were given and log in. From here, we're going to go to Pages, and then select the page you would like to edit. And this time when we make edits, we're going to use the Visual Builder. So let's click on Use Visual Builder. Sometimes it takes a second to load. Just wait for the spinny logo to stop. In this case, I have that drop-down box on this page that I showed you earlier, and the builder doesn't know how to load it, so it's just going to keep spinning. So we can continue. So now that we're in the builder, you can click anywhere on the page into text, and you can start typing. So for an example, here is some text. And there we go. It's that easy. You can also, but first, with this builder, when you're typing and you want to get out of here, you have to like sometimes go to a different section and click and see it's still there. It's a little weird sometimes, so you just click off, click around. There we go. Finally, it clicked off. So now you can hover over this section here. We want this one here, and then click the gear icon. Oops, I accidentally right-clicked, just normal click. This will give you your editing sidebar, and you can change the sidebar. You can have it look like this or like that, and you can move it around. From here, you can also add text. So, and then when you're done changing stuff, you just hit save. But in this case, I'm going to show you how to make a couple extra edits. So we'll open it up, I'll push it over to the side, and then we'll go to Design, and we want to change the just basic text, not the heading text, just basic text. So we're going to say text, and there's all these options here. You can change the color, there it's red, change the text size, say we want it bigger, letter spacing, and italicize, all uppercase, underline, slash through, strike through, and but I'm gonna just change this stuff back with the little reset buttons. And with the color thing here, it's kind of not the easiest to realize. You can to remove the color, you can right click and say reset text color, and it will just put it back to normal. This is very helpful. A lot of these, there's a lot of customization that you can do here. Text shadow, you can even like do custom text shadow. So basically the best way to get familiar with this is just browse through these tabs, and you'll find all sorts of different things. Spacing, you can push the text up or down, you can do all sorts of stuff. So that's pretty much it as far as text editing. So we'll just save, and In this case, we're not saving because I don't want to make these changes. So I'm going to hit discard. And when you're done, make sure you go down to the bottom here. Go ahead, click this purple button. And the one we want is save. And this will publish the changes. And as soon as you see that check mark, you're good to go. And then from there, you can just double test it by just going back to Exit Visual Builder, and here's the web page as you'll see it live on the website. So I added that in there. That's about it. So, yep. I hope this helps you out, and thank you.